Hope that you are well. I am well too. Today I am teaching you completing sentence. Completing sentence. It is a very important event for the students completing some sentence have written some part and other part will be written. Here I am writing a sentence. If you study hard, it is a clause. If you study hard, if plus is present infinite, other clause will be future infinite. If you study hard, you will make a good result. If you study hard, you will make a good result. If this clause is past infinite, other clause will be future conditional past. If you study hard, if you study hard, this clause is past infinite and other clause will be conditional past. You would make a good result. If clause is past perfect, other clause will be conditional perfect. If you had studied hard, you would have made a good result. Here I have written three sentences. If you see deep attentionally, you will understand the better. If you study hard, this clause is present infinite and you will make a good result, and other clause will be future infinite. If you studied hard, this clause is past infinite and you would make a good result. If clause is past infinite, the other clause will be future conditional past. Here conditional past means subject plus would have of the might have plus beyond plus object. If clause is past perfect tense, other clause will be past conditional perfect. So if you had studied hard, you would have made a good result. Here there are two other rules in conditional sentence. If I were a bird, if I am bird, I would fly in the sky. In the sky. Here, if clause is past infinite, but if is omit and where would be first? Where I, a bird, are you fly in the sky? Here if is omit and where at first I written where I a bird, I fly in the sky. In two sentences, the word meaning is same. If I have a bird, I will fly in the sky. In the same word, when I have a bird, I will fly in the sky. The another sentence, if I have if I had a computer, if I had a computer, I would have operated If I had been a computer, I would have operated it. Here, if is omit and had at first I had written at first. Had I been a computer. Had I been a computer, I would have operated it. Here, if is omit and had I been a computer, I would have operated it. These two sentences, the meaning of these two sentences is same, but here if is omit and had is written at first. I studied very hard so that I study hard. This clause is present sentence, and so that I can create, I can create a good result. When two clauses joined with so that first clause is present infinite, the second clause must be used can, could, may, might. If first clause is present infinite, second clause can be can or may. If first clause is past infinite, in the after the subject I can use could oblique might. So study hard, I study hard so that I can make a good result. Here I can use may, make a good result. It is night time. If the first, if there is high, if in the sentence it is high time, must be past infinite tense. It is high time, we say the law. It is high time we develop our mission. If there is things have passed since 5 years have passed since this father died. If two clauses joined with since, if the first clause is present tense, second clause will be past infinite tense. If first clause is past infinite tense, plus 10 years since if two clause is joined with since, if the first clause is past infinite tense, the other clause will be past perfect tense. It was 10 years since his father had died. Two clause is joined with as if the first clause is present infinite tense, the other clause will be past infinite tense. And he were here where we must be used in every password. He speaks as though he were a man. As though he spoke as he. If two clause joined with as if the first clause is past infinite, the after clause will be past perfect. He had been a man. If two clause is joined with though the man is poor and he is honest. If two clause is joined with though, the first clause is present infinite tense, the other clause will be present infinite tense, and it must be the same sense or other sense. Although the word is that he is active. Here the another sentence is although the word is meritorious, he cannot pass in the exam. In the exam. must be same sentence or same sense as as he is and he cannot move easily. As he is fat, he cannot move easily. As another sentence, as the farmer is industrious. As the farmer is industrious, he can prosper day by day. Next, if two plus join with this, the other plus we must be subject should you should oblique might. Let what first let you should with the brain. The brain. Study hard. Next, you should tell me that job. Study hard. Next, you should fail in that job. Here, the subject next after subject must be you because it is an imperative sentence. Your man talks slowly. Next, he should tell down. Tell down. You study hard. You will fail in the exam. If 2 plus is joined with unless the clause is present infinite and the other clause will be future infinite. Unless you read more, you will not know more. You will not know. The first clause is present infinite and the other clause is future infinite. And with T, and T means affirmative, until means negative. Here Wait here until I return. Wait here until I return. Wait here till he return. This sentence is negative, but this sentence is affirmative. Today I have learned in complex sentence, and there are today I have learned in complex sentence. There are 10 or 11 rules complete here, but in the next day I will teach you the other part of this complete sentence. Today is finished. Thank you very much.